Okay, now in this next problem, we are going to solve an inequality. We got an inequality like this. You've seen something like this, but the only difference now is this is an inequality sign instead of an equal sign right there, right? So we're going to solve this, and here's the thing. Solving something like this is almost identical to solving an equation. You just start with a nice little railroad track right there. But here's the thing you want to remember. If you ever multiply or divide both sides of this inequality by a negative number, you gotta change this sign. You gotta do that, okay? So let's start solving this inequality. My goal is to get all the p's together on one side, combine them, and then everything else on the other side. So I'm going to start by, how about I'm going to add, let's add this 3p to both sides. Add 3p, okay? Now remember, there's so many different ways to do this, but this is just what I chose to do first. So what I have over here down the left is 4. This 3p and this negative 3p cancel out, and so I got 16, and negative 1p plus 3p is positive 2p. 2p. I'm sorry. Okay. So now we're moving on. We're still trying to solve for this p. Let's bring over the 16 by subtracting 16 on both sides. Ask yourself, did we multiply or divide this time by a negative number? No, we just subtracted a negative number, so we're still fine. Okay, so because we're fine about that, we got 4 minus 16, which would be negative 12. And then this 16 and this negative 16 cancel off, and we're left with 2p. Okay, sorry. And now, one more thing. Remember, these aren't equal signs, right? This is this inequality sign. I'm sorry, I should just have that there. This is ridiculous. Inequality, inequality. Okay. Now, we just have to get rid of this 2 in front of this p. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And remember, 2 divided by 2 just cancels that out right there. So what I get is I got, on this side, I got p left over. And on this side, I got negative 12 divided by 2, which is just negative 6. And again, I just put that inequality sign in. I am so sorry. So I got negative 6 is greater than p right there. And that's how you solve inequalities.